We should try him in the tub. Ew! Oh, he can't stand it.
It's so funny.
I
I've never seen a
make
cat do it either.
I make water. He wants it. But he will not want, like a glass of water.
Yeah.
It's got to have no ice. It's got to be plain water.
Oh, really?
Try to dip his head a little bit. Just a little flick of the finger.
Should I say drown him?
No, just flick his top of his head with some water. Yeah.
I don't like that shit.
He'll come in and